Hunter, sa loob ka. Labas kayong dalawa. Ayan, ganyan ang positioning niyan.
Ready.
Ganyan ang pwesto, ha? Ready.
Nauna ako, sorry. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sino nauna?
Ako po.
Oh, hindi pwede sa stage yun na, ay,
Ako.
nauna ako, paano kaya? Eh, show na kaya. Again, matagal nga.
1, 2, 3.
Kasi nga, you have to, your attitude. You have to show them you have to show your attitude. Wala eh. Basta ginagawa nyo ng blanco yung mga mata nyo eh. Ulit. Alam mo, girls, hindi tayo aalis sa intro, yung boys, nasa kalahati na. Nasa umpisa pa lang kayo, hindi nyo makuha yung timing. Nasaan yung timing nyo? In singing, may timing, may rhythm, lahat, di ba? In dancing, it goes with singing. Bakit parang hinuunahan nyo yung timing? Timing nyo. O hindi nyo pinag-aralan yung piyesa? Pinag-aralan nyo ba?
Opo.
Oh. Game. Sa? Umpisa yan kayo unang nasa video.
Ready.
Very good! Again! Nakuha niya? Paki-memorize. Kasi bukas, sa stage, ayoko na may nagkakamali. Ayoko na. Ngayon, tapusin natin ang malinis to. Huwag kayo ma-conscious sa step. Ma-conscious kayo sa sound, timing, saka kasama yung katawan nyo.
Ready. Playing.
We can try to stop the seasons flow, but you know you never will. And you can try to stop my dancing feet, but I don't just stand still. Cause the world is spinning round and round, and my heart's skipping up to the beat of sound.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm on my way. You can't stop me. There's a whole world that I want my shake up the plan. That's all I'm shaking it the best I can today. You can't stop the motion of the ocean on the sun in the sky. And wondering, you wanna burn never a song. Every time walking down, not spinning around and say, you can't stop the beat.
Cut. Okay. The boys are dancing, right? Girls, yung boys, kukunan lang yan dahil sumasayaw. Kayo yung kumakanta. What I see is the same movements. Ang haba na nung kinakanta, yun pa rin ang ginagawa nyo. Tapos na, yun pa rin. You know, you can hold the mic when you're doing your solo. You can hold the mic. Pwede. Gamitin. Ngayon, pag ayaw nyo you have to do some movements. You can't stop the beat. You can move. And then breathe. Okay? Ang nangyayari, iisang galaw nyo. Puro ganun. Walang variety. Nakakaumay. Nakakasawa. Ano yung una? Game. Solo mo. Huwag mo nang kantahin. Ano yung steps? 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Oh. Ba't nagano ka? Ito kaya yun. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Okay. Larnie, your eyes is so malikot. Napakalikot. All you have to do is look at her. Audience. Ang ginagawa mo, tingin ka pa sa kanya, tingin ka doon. Ang likot. Huwag malikot ang mata. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Audience. Next.
Try to stop the seasons flow, but you know you never will.
Next.
And you can try to stop my dancing feet, but I just can't stand still.
Go.